Meaning of gharara.
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 Gharara. Gharara is a traditional attire worn by women in South Asia, particularly in Pakistan and India. It consists of a long skirt with a flared bottom, typically made of silk or chiffon, paired with a short top called choli and a sheer dupatta. The distinguishing feature of a gharara is its unique flare that starts from the knee and goes down to the ankle. This attire has been popular for centuries and is still commonly worn at weddings and other formal occasions. It is an elegant and graceful outfit that adds a touch of sophistication to any event.